Let's start.
Hello, my friends. My name is Jessie and we continue learning English letters. Are you ready? Then let's begin.
Let's drag the letters. D, D, D. Smart. D, D, D. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Great! D is for dog. Let's write the letters. D, D. Nice! Nice! D, 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 D. Well done! Let's drag the letters. E, E, E. Great! E, E, E. Well done! Let's build the puzzle. Smart! E is for elephant. Let's write the letters. E, E. Great! Good one! E, 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 E. Well done! Let's drag the letters. F, F, F. Good job! F, F, F. Well done! Let's build the puzzle. Smart! F is for fish. Let's write the letters. Good job! Nice! F, 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 F. Well done! Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. E, E, D, 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 F, F, F. Well done! Which letter do you hear? F. F. Great! E. E. Good job! D. D. Nice! F. F. Well done! Choose the correct uppercase letter. D. Good job! F. Great! E. Good job! C. Smart! Well done! Find the similar letters. E. Smart! F. Great! D. Nice! Well done! Which letter do you hear? F. F. Great! F. F. Good job! E. E. Nice! D. D. Well done! Find the missing letter. Egg. E. Egg. Dog. D. Dog. Fish. F. Fish. Ball. B. Ball. Well done! Well done!
Great, now you know 3 more letters DF. You will see the continuation in the next video.